In this video, I will show you how to add scheduled post on your community post here on YouTube. So first we need to log into our channel, make sure you did it. So go to our channel page and then go to the community part right up here. So we need to write our post. We can add some text, for example, hello to everyone. We can also add some image if you want. I would like to add, for example, this one. And cannot add, I don't know why. So the next step, we can post it or just click on the three buttons right up here. And here we can choose schedule post. So the next step is just to choose the right data. We need our post to be posted. So I would like to post it maybe on this day and on this date. And the last step is just to click on schedule. So now everything is done, but as you can see, we cannot see it right up here because it's our published part. So to see it, we can go to scheduled, and here we can see our post. We can also edit it. We can change the text, or we can change the date. The date was changed. So thank you.